Have you ever felt tired from trying so hard? Tired of thinking, planning, worrying, and asking yourself again and again, when will things finally change? Many people live this way every day. They hold on tightly to their dreams, their goals, and their desires because they are afraid that if they stop controlling everything, it may all fall apart. Maybe you have felt this too. Maybe you have spent nights overthinking, checking for signs, waiting for answers, or trying to force life to move faster. It can feel exhausting. The truth is, when we want something deeply, we often become afraid of losing it before we even have it. We try to control every step because control feels safe. We think that if we hold on tighter, work harder, and think more about it, we can make it happen faster. But many times, holding on too tightly creates stress instead of peace. It fills the mind with pressure instead of trust. Life was never meant to feel like a constant struggle. Sometimes the greatest change begins when you stop forcing, stop chasing, and simply take a deep breath. Sometimes what you are searching for begins to move toward you the moment you loosen your grip. Many people misunderstand the idea of letting go. The moment they hear those words, they think it means giving up, stopping, or forgetting their dreams. But letting go does not mean that at all. Letting go does not mean you stop caring. It does not mean you stop believing. And it definitely does not mean you stop wanting a better life. Letting go simply means releasing the fear, stress, and pressure that you have been carrying for too long. Think about how often people say, "I just want this to happen already." Behind those words is often worry, impatience, and fear. Fear that things may never change. Fear that time is running out. Fear that life is not listening. But when fear takes over, peace disappears. The mind becomes heavy, and every day starts to feel like waiting for something that never comes. True letting go is choosing trust over fear. It is saying to yourself, "I have done my part, and now I will allow life to unfold." There is a quiet kind of strength in that. Because sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is stop trying to control every detail and simply believe that not everything needs your constant effort. Some things need your trust more than your struggle. There is something many people never realize. The more they try to force life, the more tired they become. They believe they must think about their goals every minute, fix every problem immediately, and control every outcome. They feel that if they stop pushing, everything will stop moving. But life does not always work that way. In fact, sometimes the harder you grip something, the more pressure you create inside yourself. Think about how exhausting overthinking can be. Your mind keeps asking questions. What if this does not happen? What if I miss my chance? What if I am doing something wrong? Soon, one thought becomes 10, and 10 becomes 100. Little by little, worry turns into stress, and stress turns into emotional weight. You may smile on the outside, but inside you feel drained. This is what resistance often feels like. Resistance is not always loud. Sometimes it is simply fear hiding behind constant thinking and constant effort. When you keep trying to force every answer, you leave no space for peace. You leave no space for life to surprise you. Sometimes things begin to flow when you stop fighting every moment. Sometimes the answers you are searching for appear when your mind finally becomes quiet. Life often moves more naturally when you stop pulling so hard and allow things to unfold at the right time. The law of attraction teaches a simple idea. Your inner world affects your outer world. The thoughts you repeat, the emotions you carry, and the energy you live with every day can shape your experiences. This does not mean you need to be positive every second of every day. You are human. You will have difficult moments. You will have fear and doubt sometimes. But what matters is the energy you return to again and again. When your mind is filled with worry, stress, and desperation, life can begin to feel heavy. You keep looking around for proof that things are not working. You focus on what is missing, what is delayed, and what has not arrived yet. Without realizing it, your attention stays on lack, and where attention goes, energy follows. But something changes when you choose peace. Something changes when you begin trusting instead of fearing. When you wake up and tell yourself, things are working out for me, even if I cannot see it yet, you create a different feeling inside. You begin breathing easier. You begin feeling lighter. The universe responds differently when your energy changes. Not because you are pretending everything is perfect, but because you are no longer sending out panic and pressure. Trust carries a quiet power, and sometimes that quiet power opens doors that force never could. One of the hardest things to do in life is trust something you cannot see yet. People often believe that if there are no signs, no results, and no clear proof, then nothing is happening. But not everything important happens where your eyes can see it. Think about a seed planted in the ground. For a long time, it looks like nothing is changing. The surface stays quiet. There is no movement, no visible progress. But beneath the ground, something powerful is taking place. Life often works the same way. Many things begin moving long before you notice them. Opportunities may be forming. New paths may be opening. The right people may be slowly finding their way into your life. But because you cannot see it yet, the mind becomes impatient. It starts asking, where is it? Why is it taking so long? The truth is, unseen does not mean inactive. Silence does not mean failure. Delay does not always mean denial. Sometimes things are being arranged in ways you cannot understand right now. Sometimes life is connecting pieces behind the scenes while you are busy worrying. Trust means believing that movement can exist even in quiet moments. It means understanding that just because you cannot see change today does not mean tomorrow is not already preparing something beautiful for you. Fear has a quiet way of entering the mind. It does not always arrive loudly. Sometimes it appears as small thoughts that seem harmless at first. Thoughts like, what if this never happens? What if I am too late? Or what if things never change for me? These questions can slowly grow stronger until they begin controlling the way you think and feel every day. The difficult thing about fear is that it makes people focus on what they do not want instead of what they truly desire. Instead of feeling hope, they feel pressure. Instead of feeling excitement, they feel worry. Little by little, fear creates a heavy feeling inside, and when the mind becomes filled with doubt, it becomes harder to trust life. But fear is not a message that something bad is coming. Fear is often simply a sign that you have spent too much time carrying the weight of uncertainty alone. You do not have to fight every fearful thought. You do not have to panic because doubt appeared in your mind today. Even strong people have moments of uncertainty. The important thing is learning not to live inside fear. Notice it, breathe through it, and let it pass. Remind yourself gently, I do not need to know every answer right now. Peace begins when you stop giving fear control and start giving trust a chance to speak louder. Many people tell themselves, I will be happy when it finally happens. They believe peace will come after the money arrives, after the relationship appears, after life changes, or after the dream becomes real. So they keep waiting for the perfect moment to finally feel relaxed, grateful, and complete. But while they wait, they miss the life happening right in front of them. The truth is, peace was never meant to be a reward you receive at the end of the journey. Peace is something you can choose now, right here, at this moment. Because if your mind only knows stress during the journey, it will continue searching for stress even after success arrives. Learning to feel peace before results appear is powerful. It is waking up and allowing yourself to smile even when everything is not perfect. It is taking a deep breath and saying, I trust that good things are finding their way to me. It is allowing your heart to rest instead of staying trapped in endless waiting. You do not need proof before you give yourself permission to feel calm. You do not have to earn peace by achieving something first. Sometimes the energy of receiving begins when you stop saying, I will be happy when, and start saying, I choose peace now. Because the feeling you create today can quietly shape the life you experience tomorrow. Letting go does not happen all at once. It is not a switch that suddenly changes overnight. It is a process, and sometimes it begins with small daily choices. Many people think they need one big moment that changes everything, but real change often starts quietly. Small habits, repeated every day, can slowly create peace inside the mind and heart. Start with something simple, gratitude. Take a moment each day to notice what is already good in your life. It does not have to be something big. Maybe it is a peaceful morning, a kind word from someone, or simply another chance to begin again. Gratitude gently shifts your attention away from what is missing and reminds you that good things already exist around you. Another powerful habit is giving your mind a chance to rest. Spend a few quiet moments breathing deeply. Sit in silence. Step away from constant worry even for a short time. You do not have to solve your whole life in one day. You do not need all the answers right now. And speak kindly to yourself. The words you repeat matter. Remind yourself, I trust life. I trust the timing of my journey. Little by little, these small moments create a new feeling inside you. And sometimes small, peaceful habits lead to the biggest changes of all. There is a big difference between chasing and allowing. Chasing often comes from fear. It carries the feeling that something is running away from you, and you must catch it before it disappears. It says, I need this right now, or I am not complete until this arrives. And when people live in that energy, they often feel tired, frustrated, and emotionally drained. Allowing feels different. Allowing does not mean sitting back and doing nothing. It means taking your steps, doing your best, and then releasing the pressure to control every result. It means trusting that what is meant for you does not always need to be chased. Some things enter your life when you create space for them. Think about moments in life that arrived unexpectedly. A conversation that changed everything. A new opportunity that appeared at the perfect time. A person you never planned to meet. Life has a way of surprising people when they stop trying to force every detail. You do not have to run after every blessing. You do not have to exhaust yourself trying to make everything happen immediately. Sometimes the right things arrive when your heart becomes lighter. Sometimes life begins opening doors when you stop standing outside them in fear. And sometimes what you are searching for finds you the moment you finally allow yourself to trust. As we come to the end of this journey together, remember this: you do not have to carry the weight of the whole world on your shoulders. You do not need to force every answer, control every outcome, or spend every day worrying about when things will finally happen. Life is not asking you to struggle endlessly. Sometimes life asks you to breathe, trust, and allow. What is meant for you does not always arrive through pressure. Sometimes it arrives through peace. Sometimes the moment you release fear, let go of constant worry, and open your heart, life begins moving in ways you never expected. Trust that not everything needs to be figured out today. Trust that even in silence, things can be changing. Trust that the universe may already be working behind the scenes in ways you cannot see yet. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, lighten your heart, and remind yourself, I do not need to chase everything. I can trust, allow, and receive. If this message spoke to your heart today, take a moment to like this video, comment below, and share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more positive and uplifting content. Your journey matters, and we are walking it together.